And with that, we can start today's program. As I said, it's a DIY craft for the whole family. Um, as usual, my purpose is for you guys to create something fun and useful and not requiring special tools or a lot of knowledge into crafting techniques and any of that. So today we will be making this mini album. It's a summer mini album where you can keep your photos, mementos, and things like that from your summer adventures and activities. This is a quick look through the album, but I'll go over it more with more details at the end after we make the one that we're gonna make together. Something like this. And again, I'll give you a closer look at the end. I'll just leave it. And let me just show you how I decorated this one. Since it's going to be a summer album, I just put a sticker here that says summertime. Again, with the tassel, I put some beads in there. I put a pocket here, which is just a piece of card paper, and created this pocket where I put some of the scraps that I might use later for more decorating. I created this pull out here, so you can pull it like that and pull it. And on this side is supposed to have photos or messages. And on this side is the other portion. And then I cover it again with the safety clip. I glued 2 pages together, left the top open, and that created a pocket. And I inserted this little message here. It says, "We are always better together." And in the back, you can write a message or you can put another photo. With this kind of string left out so that you can pull it and it indicates that there's something in there. There's another little fun secret here. It's a pineapple and another pineapple. And again, you can write something here. You can write more stuff here. You can add a photo. You can add photos everywhere. This one, I didn't put much in there because this one already has glitter and different colors. And I want to be able like to write. And again, on the other side is more space for photos. Another pocket here with some little cards, little note cards. I created this embellishment tag that I added here, and I can add more photos here. This is another frame for a photo. This is just indicating me here that I can put a photo in there. Just a little more embellishment, and it's divided like in 4. I can put like little photos or stickers or messages. Another frame for another photo, an envelope, so I can add maybe tickets if I go to a movie, a concert, or something special. I can save them there for memories, mementos. And on the back, these pages are double-sided. So on one side I put all the embellishments, and the other back side, I pretty much left it blank so I can add photos. You can use this for your own memories, for your own summer album, or you can give it as a gift to another person, maybe for a birthday, for a teen, for a bigger kid. I hope you have fun with it. Again, you can see that you don't need special tools or special techniques or knowledge to create this. You have the materials at home, cereal boxes or any kind of packaging boxes, decorative paper. If you don't have decorative paper, you can print it from the internet. And then it's just creating the basic construction of the album. and decorating it as you please. It's up to you. Let me check the comments just one last time. Thank you, Kiara.
It's 6:45 p.m.
It is 6:45. Thank you, Kiara. I don't have an Etsy shop, but I do have Instagram and our website where I sell kits and do more tutorials. You can check it out. It's FSC, like in my name. I think it's there on the comments as well. And you can follow me. You can see other tutorials. You can sign up to find out when I present other tutorials with the library and etc. Thank you so much for being here today, for seeing it. I hope you do make it, be creative, unleash your creativity and individuality. Thank you very much and have a good day, everybody. Bye.